Okay, week 5, lesson 3. We have a vocabulary review. So we have, again, boil, bake, microwave, fry, chop, peel. Boil, bake, microwave, fry, chop, peel, and then grill, mix, steam. Grill, mix, and steam. Right, sentences with these words. Number 1, boil. The potatoes are boiling in the pan. 2, bake. My mum bakes cakes for our birthday. Microwave. I microwave coffee when it gets cold. Next is fry. Let's see if you can fry potatoes to make French fries. And that word fry and that word fries, of course, there's a relationship. Chop. We chop vegetables before we cook. Peel. I don't like to peel fruit. Grill. I grill fish, but not burgers. And you can mix coffee and sugar, but not coffee and salt. And steam. I like to steam food. It's healthy. This was 5.2. We did this before. This is the process, making an omelette. This is how to do it. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This is how we introduce each step. First do this, second do this, then do that. We saw this yesterday. And then we can put them into a paragraph by adding this sentence, which introduces the paragraph, and finishing with this sentence, which finishes the paragraph. We did this as well yesterday. And now let's have a look. So we've seen 2 paragraphs. A good dish, what's this, in Saudi Arabia is kebsa. It's made from chicken and rice with vegetables. The chicken can be grilled and it is served with rice. My mother makes kebsa. It tastes delicious. You should try it if you love chicken. So what we have is a definition paragraph. That's the kind of paragraph. This kind of paragraph. And for a definition paragraph, in the first sentence we introduce a word. Here we have kebsa. It's a strange word in English. We don't know what it means. So in the next sentence, 2, 3, 4, we give more information. So what is kebsa? This is kebsa. This is kebsa. Oops. This is kebsa. My mum makes kebsa. It tastes delicious. So this part here, we give more information. And then the last sentence, we finish with our idea or our thinking about this thing. So the last sentence, what do we think of kebsa? You must try kebsa if you love chicken. You should try kebsa if you come to Saudi Arabia. Okay? So introduce it, explain it, and then give your idea about it. Over here we have a different paragraph. This is a definition paragraph. A definition paragraph talks about the meaning. This is a process paragraph. Process paragraph tells you how to do something. So, how to make an omelette. First, second, then, after that, finally. So here, our first sentence introduces the word. Here, our first sentence tells us what the process is. What are we doing? What are we making? Here, the middle part is explaining about this thing. What is this thing? Here, the middle part tells you how to do this. First, second, third, finally. Here, the last sentence is an idea about kebsa, our thinking about kebsa, our opinion about kebsa. Here talks about the result. What are we doing? We're making an omelette. Then we make an omelette. Then we talk about the omelette. If you follow these steps, your omelette is delicious. Introduce the process. Talk about each step. Then talk about the result. So we have two kinds of paragraph, a definition and a process. Here we have two paragraphs. This one, to be a good friend you have to blah blah blah. When people first meet, they need to be polite. After they meet, they start talking, they will get to know each other. After being a friend to a person for a long time, you might get tired, but a good friend will always be there no matter what. So we have how to be a good friend. How to make an omelette. First, after. We're talking about our steps. And then a good friend will always be there. Okay, how to be a good friend. Now you are a good friend. We need to talk about that. How to make an omelette. Now you have an omelette. Talk about that. So this is a process paragraph. This one, for me, the word love means trust. Love means trust because blah blah blah. For example, I trust my girlfriend. So we're talking about the meaning of a word. We're talking about the meaning of the word love. Here we're talking about the meaning of kebsa. Talking about the meaning of this word. Then we give information about Kabsa. Here we give information about love. And then at the end we talk about our idea about chicken, or our idea about Kabsa. And here they talk about their idea. Yes, for me, love means this. I just repeat that again.